So I'm going to address a little bit of information about mortgages for senior citizens who are over 62 years old. I'm kind of reaching out to my YouTube subscribers to talk about it in case you have parents who are elderly, fixed income, maybe coming to a point where they've used a lot of their 401k, they're running out of money, you're worried about having to take them out of their home. You can use the equity in their home and get a mortgage that will actually prevent them from making a payment. We use the equity in their home and we take payments each month for them to stay in their home. So basically, if they don't owe anything on the home, then the balance will increase slowly. This doesn't mean, though, you as their child or niece, nephew, if they're going to pass and you think, well, that's taking away my inheritance. It's not. The property has equity. It's going to continue to have equity. You're just starting to use, if they have it paid off, some of the equity so that they can stay in there. But if the property keeps appreciating, you can sell it. Let's say they're in it for 5 years and there's no loan and they used $100,000 over that 5 years, based on their profile, but the house is worth 500,000. Well, if they pass away or if they move into assisted living, you can sell the house and you would get 400,000. So there is a lot of negativity about seniors using their equity in their home, but that's why they paid it, to be able to retire. And a lot of seniors do not want to move out of their home. It's just something I see every day. I saw it with my parents. So if you have any questions on how to keep your parents, or if you have grandparents, aunts, uncles who are older, over 62, that are struggling maybe to make the payments and upkeep, feel free to reach out to me and I can explain the process. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.